Next is question number 7. It's a big question, so listen it carefully. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. That means Hassan is buying some cloth material, two type, one shirt material and another one is trouser materials, and cost of these materials are given per meter. Okay. Next is for every 3 meter of the shirt material he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. Okay. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. That means 12% profit of this. First one is shirt material and next one is 10% profit, that means trouser material. His total sale is of rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? If you go through this question carefully, one ratio is given. That means for every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. That means for every 3 meters of shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. So this is shirt material and this is trouser material. So when that ratio is given, so we can consider that he buys that shirt material 3x meter and trouser material as 2x meter. This is total. Okay, 3x and 2x. So now per meter shirt material cost rupees 50. So if 1 meter cost 50 rupees, so 3x meter will cost, that means cost price of shirt material will be 3x into 50, 150x. Okay, so cost price of trouser material will be 2x into 90, that is 180x. That means 1 meter cost is given and 1 meter cost into the total length, you will get the total cost price. Okay, so you have got the cost price of shirt material and cost price of trouser material. Okay, next condition that is given, that this material he sells for 12% profit and 10% profit. That means he sells this 150x meter of he sells at the profit of 12% on this much of price. Okay, that means always profit is calculated on the basis of cost price. Okay, so that what will be its selling price? Selling price of this shirt material will be 150x is the cost price, then its profit. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. Okay, so profit will be 12% of 150x. So it is 150x plus 18x, that is 168x. Now selling price of trouser material will be cost price plus its profit. 180x is its cost price and profit is of 10% on this cost price. So 180x into 10 by 100. Okay. So 180x plus 18x, it will be 198x. Now what will be his total selling price? Total selling price will be 168x plus 198x. So it will be 366x, and according to the question, 366x equals to is 36,600. That is given. His total sale is of 36,600. So you can easily find out x 36,600 divided by 366. So 366 So x is equals to 100. X equals to 100. So the third material will be equals to 3x. That means 3 into 100 is 300 meter, and 2x equals to 2 into 100, that is 200 meter. Okay. Next, question number 8 and 9 will be your homework. If you have any doubt, you please ask me in your doubt clarification session. Don't forget to ask me. Next we will discuss, that is question number 10. Question number 10 says Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. So, say, let's consider Aman's son's present age equals to x. So Aman's age will be equals to 3 times his son's age. So it will be 3x. 10 years ago means 10 years before. So 10 years before, what was his son's age? X minus 10. And Aman's age was 3x minus 10. The next condition that is given, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. That means this is 5 times of this. So 5 times of this is x minus 5 into this equals to 3x minus 10. Okay, this is according to the question. So 5x minus 50 equals to 3x minus 10. Now we can easily, I think, solve it. 2x equals to 40, x equals to 20. So x equals to 20. So Aman says will be 3 into 20 is 60 years. Thank you.